Hi everyone, Dr. K, naturopathic sports medicine doctor. Today talking to you about vitamin D. So the nutshell on it, because there's mountains of research on vitamin D and its importance for our health and wellness. So summary, I guess, would be that vitamin D is important for the health of bones, teeth, muscle, our immune function, cancer prevention. A neat fact is that it's a fat soluble vitamin, so it can be transferred in breast milk to infants, so that's pretty cool. Some food sources of vitamin D would be fish, such as salmon, sardines. Anything with the bone in is definitely a good source. You can get vitamin D and calcium, which is kind of a nice little bonus. Red meat, liver, egg yolk. Then the most popular one that comes to mind is the sun, right? Getting vitamin D from the sun. However, most of us don't spend enough time outside. And people of color, especially, even if they do spend enough time outside, their conversion to create vitamin D is just not the same. So we're all deficient. If you want to know how deficient, you absolutely can get some lab testing done with your medical doctor, with your naturopath, and see what your levels are at, because even people that do spend time outside, they think that that is sufficient. And unfortunately, to get even a little bit of vitamin D, you do have to be outside with minimal to no clothing. And that's not the reality for most of us. So as I say, the other source too is supplementation, but I would say consult, your MD or your naturopath before you jump on in. But vitamin D is super important to our health, and definitely something to consider when you're thinking of your long-term health plan. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed, and we'll talk soon.